First decent one on the fly rod. I've been practicing for a little bit. Man, nice little saugeye here. He ain't putting up much of a fight, but we'll get him in here. Looks like he wrapped up a little bit. There we go. Yee, little saugeye on the fly. Whoop. Heck yeah, dude. Nice. First decent one on the fly rod. Been practicing. Let's go. Oh yeah. Man, that's a slab, dude. Big old crappie on the. Hey, come here. God. Big old crappie on the freaking fly rod, yo. Let's go. Heck yeah, that's awesome.